Hey everyone, this is Andrew Ty and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be demonstrating this Kärcher K2 Pressure Washer. So this is actually going to be the first time I'm using this particular pressure washer, but basically I'm going to do some garden work in kind of my patio, and also I've got a little terrace and also the light well at the front of the house. So mostly I'm going to be using this kind of medium attachment. This one has the adjustable nozzle, so you can go between a mix of soft or medium or hard pressure. We'll also be using the kind of floor cleaner as well, so I'll be demonstrating that. So I hope you enjoy watching this before and after shots of the pressure washing that I've done. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video today. So if you couldn't tell already, this was my very first time using a pressure washer and the first time I've used a Kärcher K2. It seemed to do the job very well. I wasn't actually able to get some of the stains out of the paintwork. And for example, in my front light well, I was trying the high pressure modes to get the stains out. However, this was pulling some of the paintwork off it. So I used a lighter mode in order to just try and get rid of some of the stains, and it didn't quite work out as I intended to. And also in the front light well, I was waiting for the water to drain. However, a lot of the mud and the silt was actually jet washed off the paving stones. However, because the water was taking so long to drain in the tiny drain, it was settling down again and I had to kind of sweep it off. So that was a little bit frustrating. In my back garden, some of the dark tiles I couldn't get the stains out of, and that was where a can of white paint had spilled onto the tiles and I wasn't able to get it out using just a jet washer. However, I'll be trying some other methods in the future. So if you do have any tips on how I should be using the pressure washer better, please let me know in the comments. I definitely think it worked best on the terrace. So this is a composite wood decking and it easily cleaned off all of the sludge and dirt from there really easily using the floor cleaner attachment, which worked great. Overall, I'm very happy with my purchase of the Kärcher K2, especially for cleaning floors. If you want to buy one for yourself, then please check out the link in the description for my link to the Amazon store page. Anyway, I've got lots of other tutorial videos on my channel, so please check them out. If you like the video, please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.